Okay, the next part of the assignment, you're going to complete the compass project, which is similar to when you did rock, paper, scissors in 1.3. You're now on 2.1, and this one is going to help you use the compass and the accelerometer. Okay, so those are two other input devices. This whole assignment is about familiarizing you with input devices. So you should have watched this video explaining what the compass and the accelerometer do. Now you're going to build some code to make that happen. So to find that assignment, I just wanted to show you how to find the compass. So there's in the coding spot, there's go to this question mark and go down to projects. Okay, and then that pops open the little sidebar that has all those projects in. This is how you got to do the rock, paper, scissors. Scroll down and look for the one that says compass on it. It's going to be kind of way down towards the bottom. Keep going. Go past these main pictures, and you should find one called compass right here. It looks like this. Click on it, and then it's going to give you the instructions right here, once it loads, to build. Yeah, so it says, welcome to the guided tutorial to show your program. So you're going to turn your microbit into a compass. And these are the code blocks that you're going to do with it. So just follow these steps. If you have any questions, let me know.